Hey there. Thanks to Channel NT for bringing me in here today to talk to you a bit about the new music industry and how you can find new opportunities for making money from your music. My name's Tracey Bunn. I'm an award-winning singer-songwriter producer with over 30 years in the industry. I'm very passionate about what I do, and I'm also really passionate about helping people like yourselves find the best place for you and your music and your opportunity to make the money that you can make in this industry today. I've spent quite a lot of my time touring on the road, and some of you might be familiar with my former band, the Toe-Sucking Cowgirls. We spent 6 years pretty much non-stop touring all around Australia and overseas, and have played at festivals like Woodford, the National Folk Festival in Port Fairy, and the Edinburgh Fringe Festival, to name a few. We've recorded 3 albums and have had nominations in various awards, including the Golden Guitars. I've moved on to other things, including event production and mentoring and doing workshops for young people in the new music business. My direction right now is to put that energy and that passion that I have into helping you and other people find your place in the new music industry and find those opportunities that are out there for you as well too. After you've watched these videos, I'm hoping that you'll have a better understanding of the things that you need to have in your toolkit to be able to access the new music industry and the opportunities that are available for you. Some of the things that we'll be touching on are your press kits, your catalogue, and the opportunities that are actually out there and available to you right now online and through your fan base and through performance opportunities. So buckle in and let's start this ride. Thanks for watching. You'll find more videos from Territory artists at channelnt.com.au.